Hi there, it's Beauty Junkie. Welcome to my channel. Today we are getting into Beauty Habit, and that is a online retailer that I just purchased from for the first time, and I picked up a few goodies in the hair care, body care, and fragrance categories. I picked up the Oribe #obsessed set, and it is all products from the Gold Lust line plus a styling spray. I picked up the Oribe Serene Scalp Anti-Dandruff shampoo. I picked up another softening hand wash from Diptyque. And then I picked up, last but not least, a new candle from Carriere Freres. And this is the Siberian fir and Dades rose. It's fir and rose, which I thought was a unique combination. This is actually a holiday candle. I know I'm a little bit late, but this is new for them and I wasn't sure if it's gonna last, so I wanted to pick it up. And this is also a new candle brand for me. So I'm gonna be talking about all these products plus a couple samples that I received and really liked. Alright, so let's start with the #obsessed set. And this one comes with 3 travel size, kind of deluxe size products. And it's about $50. Nice kind of giftable box here. And I've always wanted to try the Gold Lust line. If you're not familiar with Oribe, like many hair care luxury lines, there's a lot of different lines for different hair types, and they have different colors. So the Gold Lust is black and white ombre, has gold lettering. And I have the Gold Lust Repair and Restore shampoo and the Repair and Restore conditioner. So Gold Lust is all about repairing, which, as you guys know, I need. The set also came with the dry texturizing spray, which is been around forever. I mean, I think these have been around as well, but this one is a really popular product. Normally comes in a larger size, but I wanted to try it. And then the dandruff shampoo, this is actually a full size, 8 ounces, which a lot of luxury brands is kind of the standard size. I know it doesn't look huge because it isn't. So there is 250 milliliters in here. Oribe does do like giant sizes, but they are very expensive. They look nice, of course, but they're a lot of money. So if you've never tried anything from the brand, I would get the normal or travel size first, just so you guys can try it out. I love the pink packaging. I think their scalp line is newer, and I needed a new dandruff shampoo. I normally get a really unsexy one from Amazon, the Nizoral one, and it works well, but it is drying for the rest of my hair, even though, you know, it only stays around the scalp. So this one, the active ingredient is salicylic acid, 2%. It's enjoyable, but we'll get into the details of all of these. So the Gold Lust set, I tried this combination like 3 times on my hair, and I don't think it's for me. I won't be repurchasing the larger sizes, but I'm glad I finally got to try it. A lot of people love this combination. I think I like the shampoo a little bit more than the conditioner. If you guys don't know about Oribe, every line has the same Oribe scent. It's like I don't know much about the scent, but it's like they're really known for it. It's the Côte d'Azur scent, and everything has it. It's really good. It's really luxurious. It smells like a perfume. So there's a lot of sophistication and complexity to it, which is what a lot of people want in a luxury hair care line, is a good smell. It says it was developed in a collaboration with a legendary French fragrance house. It has bergamot, white butterfly, jasmine, and sandalwood. Okay, I didn't know the scent, what it was. It's nice. I think if I was a hairstylist, I'd probably get tired of it because it's on everything, but I'm not, so that's good. It smells really good. To give you a sense of the texture, this is really gel-like. So I don't know, shampoos come in different forms, and this is like kind of a see-through gel. And it does give you some lather, a little more than I'm used to, so a little bit more bubbles, but it's not like a high lather. I feel like this gets my hair really clean, but doesn't dry it out too much. For me, personally, in my hair type, I have naturally dry, curly hair, so I need a little bit more nourishment, and personally, I think this dried out my hair a little too much and cleaned my hair a little too much. But if I was like a really sweaty person all the time, worked out all the time, and had a lot of gunk to remove, or maybe I use a lot of styling products, I think this might be a good option if I really had dirty hair all the time, because it really does get your hair clean. For me, it just dries it out a lot. So that's why I wouldn't repurchase, but it's not a bad formula. I just think I need a little more from my shampoo. So I'm still going to be using my Virtue Recovery Shampoo. And this line is to repair and restore, so that's why I was drawn to it. But I'm not sure it would really restore enough for me. The conditioner is nice. Again, I think it's not quite as nourishing as what I'm used to and what I like. I need like real nourishment, so a little thicker, a little oilier for my hair, which probably most people wouldn't want, but I need it. So this is the texture of the conditioner. It really feels nourishing, like it's a rich conditioner, but I just want a little more. Again, nice scent. It does a pretty good job. I think it, you know, if my hair was a little healthier, this would be good enough. If my hair wasn't as naturally dry, this would be perfect. But because of the price and all that, and I have a better alternative, I won't be repurchasing. But I wouldn't be mad. Like, if I got more samples of this, I wouldn't be mad. It's just I wouldn't want to buy it, and my hair needs a little bit more. Now, if you have more normal hair, I think you're going to be happy with these. But for me, they weren't quite restoring and rich enough. Now, I have tried the red line for colored treated hair. I liked that one. I think, I don't know, maybe a little more than these. What I like about the conditioners is they feel like they have a good amount of oil in them, and they're like a nice refined oil. It doesn't feel waxy or heavy. Like, it feels like it has a good weight to it and a good nourishment to it. And I think the color one had less foam, the shampoo, than this one did. But again, like, I wasn't so impressed that I wanted to keep buying that shampoo and conditioner either. The one thing I would say about Oribe is they have a newer color, like a curly hair line that has, and they have some styling products. I am still curious about that green line, because maybe that stuff would work for me better. So I'm not going to totally give up on the brand yet, because I do like the scent. I like the luxury packaging. I'm kind of a sucker for that. But I've kind of been disappointed with a lot of their products, to be honest. Now, I do wish this set came with the oil or a mask and not the dry texturizing spray, because this isn't really a styling product I normally use or need. But I'm glad I tried it, and now I know what it's like. So the dry texturizing spray feels very wet at first when you apply it. So when I first applied it, I kind of overdid it, because it dries super dry. It really dries out your hair. So that's good if you want to build volume and you have like an updo that you want to do. It doesn't have any hold, so it creates dryness without hold, and that's the kind of texture part of it. So if I wanted like really a curly style and I was going to use heat tools, the best thing to keep a curl is dry hair. So you're going to dry out your hair first and then put in like the heat styler, and that should help with the, you know, creating texture and movement and keeping that curl in place. But for me, it's a little too drying. Like, I would use this as a dry shampoo because I don't need volume and texture. I already have that. But because it does such a good job of drying out your hair, this would be good for dry shampoo purposes. Sorry, it's a little hard to press the nozzle. Because there's no powder to it. So it's going to dry out your hair, get rid of that oil, prevent the oil from coming through without that powdery residue. So this is like a perfect dry shampoo for me. If you have like curly texture and you don't like the powderiness of a dry shampoo, you might like this for that purpose. But it's pretty expensive, not gonna lie. I don't think it's quite worth it. But if you like creating styles with volume, you like, you know, back combing your hair, creating a lot of lift at the roots, this will probably be your friend. Just not really the perfect product for me, but some of you may like it. Just don't overdo it. It really dries out your hair, which I don't love, sticking my fingers in the hair and feeling like a desert. And I'm not sure how good that is for your scalp. So just be really careful with how you apply that one. Not something I would purchase, but I'm glad I have it, glad I tried it. So, are you Oribe obsessed? Not really. I want to like this brand, but it kind of disappoints me. But I am willing to try that curly line. Onto the dandruff shampoo. I use this the same nights as I use the other, and I just put it on my roots. And I think it's fine. It's not like as soothing as I want it to be. I think the salicylic acid works. I'm gonna have to give you more of a full opinion when I go through the whole bottle. I feel like it only does so much to my hair. I'm sure it is cleaning up my scalp, but it doesn't necessarily feel soothed or feel like that much better after I use it. Like my scalp gets itchy, and it didn't help that much with the itchiness. I think it cleans out my scalp, but not a lot else. This formula is also like a gel, has a lot of like shimmer in it for some reason, but the main ingredient in this one is salicylic acid, which for me, I don't know if that's gonna be enough or do enough for me. Of course it smells good, but you know, I don't know. It does have some foam to it. It's pretty foaming. I wouldn't use it on all of my hair because it would dry it out, but it's not a bad dandruff shampoo. I think I'm gonna need the different kinds of ingredients than salicylic acid, to be honest, but you know, again, I'm glad I tried it. Samples. So I did get a couple samples that are Oribe samples, and I got the signature shampoo for Brilliance and Shine. I haven't tried this one yet. This is kind of their standard shampoo for regular hair or normal hair. They do have body products, which I know a lot of people love. I actually really liked the body wash. It smelled a little bit different for some reason, even though this is all the same scent. I like the texture of it. It's like really gel-like, but just the experience and smell of it just was really relaxing. I really enjoyed it. It felt very luxurious with the body wash. The body cream smelled a little differently to me in not a good way. It wasn't bad, it just smelled kind of weird. I like the texture of it, but I wouldn't like purchase the full size. I would consider, I don't need a new body wash right now, but maybe in the future if this goes on sale, I would consider getting the body wash because that was pretty nice. A little bit on the hand wash. So I picked up this before and I liked it, and then I picked up the exfoliating one, which I like, but it's clogging up the dispenser tube. So you have to keep cleaning it out because the sand gets caught in the tube and the soap won't come out. So I will not buy that one again. That's not a good thing. So I got the regular one with no sand in it because I like the scent. Alright, and last but not least, onto the candle. So this brand is like an related brand to Cire Trudon, which are really expensive luxury candles. This is kind of the sister brand. And so this is my first candle from them. Somebody really liked this, recommended it, so I got it from Beauty Habit and have it burning right now. I think it smells really good. It's like an alternative holiday scent because it has rose in it. You normally don't have rose in holiday scents. This has like the traditional like fir Christmas tree kind of smell, but it's got some very beautiful fragrancy vibes with the rose. So it smells really good. I really like it, and I like the white simple packaging. It's really nice. The only thing is, like, I wish the room throw was a little bit better, but this isn't like a super strong scent. It's very like calming, relaxing kind of background scent. It's not gonna be like super hit you in the face. I wish it was a little bit stronger of a room throw. It's not bad. These are expensive candles though. I think this was maybe $50 some, so not cheap. And this is 185 grams, 6.5 ounces, which is like the same, pretty much the same size as the regular Diptyque candles. Diptyque's a little more expensive, but you know, I wanted to try another like kind of luxury candle. I'm curious. I would get more, maybe one day. I just thought this was a really unique combination, like a feminine holiday candle, which I've never really seen before. Maybe you guys have, but I thought it was different, and it is different. So I just want to expose you guys to a different candle, luxury candle brand. Alright, that's it for my Beauty Habit order. I just wanted you to be aware of the retailer I got it from because I've never heard of Beauty Habit before until recently. And what I like about them is they have a lot of different brands that I haven't seen before and I wanted to get exposed to. And they have some clean beauty, they have a lot of just different skincare, they have everything, and you should check it out because they might have some brands that you've been looking for and maybe you can finally check out. So those are my thoughts. Comment below if you have any questions about anything, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.